Hello, in this video I'm going to unbox Van Cleef & Arpels Magic Alhambra pendant with you. If you order it online, as you can see in this video, it comes in this nice gray velvet box, and it's great for storing receipts, certificates like this one, little jewelry boxes, and things like that. I personally think it's important to keep the certificates of authenticity, even if you're not going to sell them, so you could give it to your children. But it's nice to have this box so you can keep them all in one place. This is the travel pouch, and when you open them, there are these 4 clips to hold the necklace together. So it's really nice for traveling. I also want to quickly mention that if you don't receive that travel pouch, you can always call them and ask for one, and they will mail you a travel pouch. I think this part is the part that I enjoy the most, when right before you see the actual product. And here is the Magic Alhambra pendant in mother of pearl white gold in the short chain. Now, the short chain version of Magic Alhambra only comes in this white gold version. The longer chain Magic Alhambra comes in different colors and different metals, gold and rose gold. But I particularly like the white gold because I have a lot of other jewelry that is white gold, so it matches really well. And as you could see, it has a beautiful shine to it. Reflective, kind of like a mirror. It's not completely opaque, it's not transparent either, but you can see there's little waves of natural pearl, but it's very slight, and on the surface it's actually really smoothly polished. It's a really exquisite work of art. Now, there is a slight difference between front and the back. The 4 prongs that hold the mother of pearl is slightly different, but I really don't think it matters because they're so similar. The chain is also beautiful. Now I wanted to show you a size comparison with my sweet Alhambra pendant. This one is carnelian sweet in rose gold, and I actually prefer the chain on the sweet because it's so delicate and it's very shiny. It might be the difference between rose gold and white gold, but the chain on this one is really shiny versus the white gold is very shiny, but it's a little more, I guess, subtle. And here's the size difference between the two. As you can see, Magic is huge in comparison to the sweet. Price point is also quite different. Sweet carnelian is about $1,500 US dollar before tax, and the Magic Alhambra is $4,000 150 plus tax. So it's about 4 times the price, and it is about 4 times the size. I do have the vintage size as well, so you can see here the comparison between Magic, Sweet, and the vintage. The vintage one is in gold, yellow gold, onyx, and I heard onyx is the strongest stone of these 3, carnelian being the most delicate. But I'm not worried about daily wear because to replace the stones is actually not that much. The Magic about $300 some, and the sweet much less than that. Vintage is about $160, so it's to replace them when you need to is really not bad. Another service that they offer within the first 30 days of purchase is the chain extension. You can extend it by 2 more inches. This one I didn't, but you can request it so that your length can be extended a little bit longer. Here's some photos of the Magic pendant that I'm wearing. I've tried different colors, different styles, layered them, and I do really feel like it's a little bit overpowering for me. I'm size 2 and 5'4", so I think if you're taller, it might actually look better. But on me, it's a little bit big, and it actually kind of looks like I'm wearing a medal instead of a necklace, so I might reserve it for special occasions and wear it as a statement piece, but probably not a daily thing. I hope this video was helpful for you to see 3 different sizes and unboxing the magical Alhambra pendant. Thank you so much for watching.